You know, I wanted to take a minute and show y'all some of this grain. This is what you call the old floor wood. It's old growth, I think is what it's called. And I'm getting ready to bend a bunch of rims for first quality. But look at that, man. I mean, that's some beautiful, and it's really old. Came out of a floor somewhere. A warehouse, like they were tearing down in the 60s or something like that. And this was the floor. And it's going to make some of the beautiful rims. And when you cut it, you can smell the old in it. I mean, it smells like walking into an old warehouse. Now I got to cut it down to size, get rid of bad parts like that. And see if I can bend this. This is supposedly some of the hardest stuff to bend. We'll find out. So it's time to get back to work. Later. Old floor wood that I got from Eric Sullivan at First Quality, and I'm going to make it some old floor rims. It's all wedged up. The wedges are cut and sanded. So that grain is just beautiful. So we're gonna get ready to steam bend it, and I'll turn it into one big video about how this turned out. I can't tell you the secrets, but I will let you know how this will turn out. That's old growth wood from an old factory floor. Later. All right, folks, I said I'd post another video. These are the old wood floor, old growth lumber, maple rims. I was asked to see if I could do them. And I tell you what, they come out fantastic. I was able to even bend knots on this stuff. My little formula I invented works pretty good. And yeah, I'm going to tell Eric about this. This is awesome. So yeah, now we can make those too for him. It's old growth lumber from, like, good God, I guess the 1940s or something. Put into a factory floor. When they tore the floor out, they saved the lumber and recycled it into the banjo rims. That sound pretty awesome because the grain is so tight. It's just, compared to regular maple, it's not like that. So yeah, we can bend them. All right, folks, this is the first dried old factory floor, hard maple. Has even got a nail hole in it. Those are nail holes from where the floor was nailed down. That's just dirt. Dirt. Look at that wood. Old factory floor. Man, I tell you what, my little formula is doing well. Got all these shells being made. And then later today or this week, I'll be delivering this stack of rims down to First Quality. Man, them some high production rims there. Very nice. 10 of them ready to go. Back to work. All right, good morning, y'all. This is, what is this? Oh, this is Wednesday. Here's the first of the old floor, old growth timber, the first layer of the first rim. Bent real nice, man. Glued all up, ready for the second layer. Stayed round, no cracks, no chipping. The grain is so tight on these old growth wood, it's amazing. So it's basically a recycled rim. What happens is an old warehouse was being torn down in the 70s, I think. And this is a 1900s old growth timber that the floor was made of, and salvaged it at First Quality Music, Eric Sullivan. You can even see some of the nail holes where the old nails went through the floor. And man, they make the best sounding banjos. So I'm bidding up several for him. If y'all want one, give him a call, man. Hey folks, it's Thursday morning. This is an old factory floor, old growth lumber rim I'm making here. Making 3 of them for First Quality Music. And man, look at that, no gaps. Tight. Getting ready to put on the 3rd shell. Nail hole, nail hole. And they're supposed to be in there because it's old factory floor wood, man. I've heard that these are the best sounding rims in all of banjo, man. Get a hold of First Quality if you want. I'm making 3 of them, so I'll know he'll have 3 this week. Later. Get back to work. Hey folks, Friday morning, about 6 in the morning. The first hard maple old factory floor rims are done. The old growth lumber. Ooh, look at that green. It's tight green, man. 2 of them. These things are hard to bend, but they came out good. No cracks, no gaps. All right. We'll deliver these to First Quality today. These are Eric's rims I'm making for him. All right. Back to work. Oh, that hurt.